Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Inbalhog. Today we are gonna create the 3D flipping card animation with the help of GSAP animation library. So as you can see, this is the view of our animation 3D card animation. So okay, let's head back to the code. Okay, first create index.html file. Okay, and then create a style.css. Okay, then finally create index.js file. After creating all of those files, I'm head back to the index.html and create a HTML code snippet. Okay, since the document title, the 3D flip card animation. Okay, after that, the link, the style sheet within index.html file, and after that, okay, let's head back to the GSAP animation library, and this is the animation. Move to the docs and click the installation button. After that, show the CDN tab and copy the link and then paste it in the body tag. And after link your own index.js file, by the way, index.js, and then create. Okay, let's create a cart container div. Within that, create a cart div. After that, create cart front. Within cart front, create cart image divs. After that, and create an image tag. Within that, the images, within images folder, create font in font.png. Okay, and create the alternative text of image is font. Okay, copy the font and paste. Okay, you don't paste. Oh, okay, simply write down cart back and again create the another div within cart image. After that, image tags, and then that image is back.png and create alternative text back. Okay, let's head back to the style.css file and provide the global style of your body. Okay, the margin 0, padding 0, margin 0, padding 0, and height 100 pivot height. So display, flex, align item center, justify content center, and then background color hash f4. So and then provide the style in cart container. This will be first 50,000 pixels because when we make it 3D, that's why I need to provide the perspective. Within cart, provide the width 500 pixel, height 300 pixel, and position relatives. Okay, after that, transform style perspective 3D, sorry, preserve 3D, by the way, and transition transforms 0.8s, and then create cart container, cart front, and cart back. After that, okay, let's show once again. Okay, this is cart front and cart back. Okay, within a width, provide 100%, height 100%, and then position absolute. Okay, so after that, display, flex align items center, justify content center. Okay, the background, sorry, backspace visibility, sorry, visibility hidden, backface visibility hidden. So within cart back, transform, rotate Y, so it will be nearby below 180 degree. After that, the cart image width 100%, height 100% as well. So after all of that, move to the cart img. Within the specific image, provide the width for image element img tag. So the width 100%, height 100%, and make sure to provide the border radius 20 pixel. So button object fit contain. So I think cover. Okay, object fit cover. So and then box shadow, 10 pixel for X, 10 pixel for Y, and 20 pixel for alpha, and finally provide the color is gray. Okay, now run. So this is the so far output of our code. So okay, let's move to index.js file and const card equal okay document dot query selector and provide that card class and card dot add event and provide an add event listener, provide event and mouse enter event. Okay, then that mouse enter event when anyone mouse over on card element. So GSAP dot we already included the library in our projects, so they can easily call the GSAP in the index.js file. This is the true and provide the target is card and also provide the some options after the second parameter. The rotation y will be what what rotation y. So I'm providing 180-degree rotation y and duration 2s each forward to out. Okay, this is the code on cut move on cut on remove the mouse from card element. So I'm gonna create another event listener mouse leave event dot GSAP dot to provide the target and provide options. The rotation y 360-degree, duration 2 each power 2 dot out, same as before. Okay, after doing all of that, okay, reload. Now how cool is that? How cool. So okay, please subscribe to my channel if you find helpful from this tutorial. Okay, see you next. Bye.